Hi, B here again with my friend Chris Zimmerman from Goosehead Insurance. He is independent insurance expert agent extraordinaire. Drug him here today because I wanted for him to answer a question I hear often with my tribe, which is, how do I get the best coverage for the best rate?
Well, having an independent agent is a great benefit because we can shop the whole market. We just don't have one insurance company. We have 40 different companies that we can shop, from Progressive to Safeco, Travelers, National General, the list goes on and on. So when you have choice, you have different companies that are basically bidding for your business. So choice is always good.
Choice is always good, right? Supply and demand, all that. We know that, basic economics 101. It applies to homeowners insurance, apparently. And why is it important to have the best rate? Because the rate, your premium, your annual premium you pay, does show up as divided out by 12 in your mortgage payment. And
Correct.
Sometimes you can get some surprises that we don't like, right? So to set up yourself for the best policy ever, you're gonna ask some questions. It's called discovery.
Right, we do ask discovery questions, and we get to know a little bit more about you as a customer, and we also get the information that we need to be able to do a quote. We're gonna be asking things, basic things that you're gonna know right away, like your date of birth, your current address, your future address. We're gonna be asking whether you have aggressive breed dogs, whether there's a swimming pool, a diving board, a slide, the age of your roof. That might be something that you don't know right off the bat. So
you might have a guess by way of home inspection if you have completed a home inspection,
right.
And you don't need an exact age, right?
Well, we want to know the year of the roof, the last time the roof was re-roofed, replaced. And if you have ballpark, that's very helpful as well. But your realtor may also know the answer to that question. We're going to ask if you have a trampoline, whether there's any construction going on at the home.
Interesting.
Questions like that, just to be able to properly get a quote.
Properly.
That's
a great, and to make sure you have properly also being the right coverage to fit your lifestyle and your life choices, right?
Right. What we don't want to happen is we find a great premium with a great company. You're happy with it. We did not ask the question whether you had an aggressive breed dog. You have a pit bull, and now that carrier won't accept because you have an aggressive breed dog, and they exclude that animal. So we just have to ask all of the right questions to be able to get the right coverage, the right premium, the right company, everything.
So again, going back to comfort, don't take it personally. Chris really is discovering the best policy to suit your needs, right?
And we're learning more about each other, and we should be more comfortable with each other.
So don't take it personally when you ask a critical question, which is, what is your credit score, right? Does that affect it?
Well, we're not going to ask what their credit score is, and we never actually see your credit score.
All right.
But premium price is definitely factored by credit. Credit's a big factor. It's not the only factor. Your premium is determined by what's called an insurance score, and that is a combination of credit, prior claims history, demographic information, etc.
Very nice. And then the last little tip you were sharing with me is bundle. What is bundle?
You can save quite a bit of money if you bundle your home and auto. An independent is also able to shop a variety of different auto carriers and home carriers. So sometimes a bundle is going to make sense, and sometimes you're even going to get a better price with two different companies. So it just totally depends on your situation.
It all depends.
But an independent can find out.
There you go. All right. Well, thank you for joining us today so that we can help you discover the best insurance at the best rate and how to get there. Thanks for joining us.